Birds living in Lake Stymphalian were destroying the area and people. They were attacking with iron feathers, destroying the environment. Hercules advanced towards the dangerous swamps of the lake to reach the birds. However, the birds are flying, and Hercules was on the ground. How could he get them? He had to make a plan because even the feathers of the birds were deadly. Athena gave magic rattles to Hercules. These rattles would scare the birds by making a special sound. Hercules stole the rattles, and the birds were afraid and flew into the sky. When the birds took off, Hercules prepared his arrows and hunted them one by one. Thanks to the intelligence and power of Hercules, the Stymphalian birds were defeated.